Hey guys, time for another Math Easy solution. This is MFA again, coming back at you with another NBA video. So this time it's going to be 3-pointers versus 2-pointers. Which is better? Obviously 3-pointers are worth more than 2 because they're more difficult to score. But the question is, what percentage do you have to shoot from 3 in order for it to be worth it compared to shooting 2-pointers? So I took some numbers here from basketballreference.com. This is the entire 2021-2022 season. So you got the 3-point makes and attempts versus the percentage, and then the same with the 2-pointers over here. So you can obviously see the 3-pointers are below the 2-pointers, but they are worth 50% more. So let's do some quick calculations and see what we're looking at here. You simply multiply the 3-point percentage, the 35.36, by 1.5 for a 50% increase to get the new effective field goal percentage of 53.04. It's almost identical to the 2-point percentage of 53.26 over here. This means on average throughout the whole league, shooting 3s and 2s are about the same in effectiveness, but it can be drastically different based on each team. So let's see a quick example. This one is of the Atlanta Hawks. The entire season, they shot 37.4% from 3 and 53.1% from 2. If you take the 37.4 like earlier and multiply it by 1.5, it becomes 56.1%. This is significantly higher than the 53.1% that they shoot from 2. So it means that it was actually more effective for the Atlanta Hawks to shoot 3s than it was to shoot 2s on average throughout the entire season. But it also does work the other way around. So Washington Wizards, in the same season, they shot 34.2% from 3 and 54.3% from 2. If you take the 34.2 and multiply it by 1.5 again, you get 51.3, which is significantly lower than the 54.3 they shot from the 2-point range. So in this case, for them, it was more effective for them to shoot 2s rather than 3s. So in conclusion, shooting 3s versus 2s across the league was about the same in the entire season, but some teams did vary. So I quickly wanted to go over that with you to see the difference in the value of 3s versus 2s. So if you're a 3-point shooter who shoots below 35%, it's probably best that you take 2-pointers. And then if you're a 3-point shooter who's got 40% or something, that's significantly higher than the average of 53.2% when you multiply it by 1.5. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.